Hello there. The last time we were together, I showed you how to take a Word document, transfer it to PowerPoint, and make a slide presentation. So I ended up with about 170 slides or so. Now I'm going to show you how to do the reverse because sometimes you might want to make some changes. So we're going to make a few changes and then we're going to save those back to Microsoft Word. So let's say you're looking at this particular slide and you see it's a little bit too wordy, so you want to delete a little bit here. So I'm going to Control X and delete that. Go back and put my ellipses there. We like those. And I'm going to insert a new slide there, and it's already formatted. Then Control V. I just pasted what I just taken from the previous one. And go back here and let's say this one's a little bit wordy also, so I want to delete that. Control X and go back in here, add my ellipses and create another slide right below that. It's formatted and we're going to go back and capitalize that. So now I've just added a few slides there, and let's make another change at the beginning. So with number 1, let's say I want to change the color just so you'll be able to notice something different about this. I'll change that to red. So let's say you want to continue and do a lot of formatting within this presentation, but you don't want to go back to your original and then make a format here, a change here, and then go back and change in your original document. So let's go ahead and move this over and make it a Word document that you can read as you do your recording of this presentation. So you're going to go up to File, Export, Create Handouts, and then it automatically says create handouts in Microsoft Word. Create your handouts, go to outline only, and then click OK, and it's automatically moved it over to Word. Down here Word is flashing saying something has happened, so I click to Word, and actually here's my document here. But wow, it's big because that was formatted in a 44-point font. So I'm going to Control A, which selects all. I'm going to take it down to, let's say, 14 points. That's what we have right now. Now I'm going to go, and it's kind of difficult to read if I want to read this particular document and read it onto slides. So let's go with Control All, and I'm going to go to Paragraph, and let's go to Auto and hit OK. And now each one of the slides has been separated by a certain margin. It's easier to read that way. Now I go with Control All again and go to Paragraphs, and you can set this rather than auto. You can set it to whatever point spacing you want so that it's easy enough for you to read. And then you can save this particular document and read it as you record onto your PowerPoint presentation. And it's word for word. Alright, let me just go back to my PowerPoint presentation. That's where I am. And those are the changes. Let's go to the changes we made. I think it was slide number 3 and number 4. And there's slide number 3 because, and at that. And then we go on to the next portion of it here. But as you can see, it's made the changes. And what's happened here? Attention. I think I just changed that one. But it actually made the changes that you need. I just wanted to kind of give you an idea of how to make this process pretty simple. Alright? Okay. I hope that was helpful for you. See you next time. Take care.